Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great pleasure to be here today to introduce to all of you an expert on communications. Ali has a degree in communications from his country, and he's here today to talk to you about soft skills. We all know that it's not enough to know how to do something. It's very important to have the ability to communicate with people. So I would like to introduce Ali to you, and he will take over, and he will give you all the information in order to become a soft skill expert. Let's give Ali a big hand.
Thank you very much for your nice introduction and your coming to my presentation. I'm very excited to be with you. And today I want to